and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the August 2018 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month is a monthly kit that includes 4 new collections, so you'll always have some of the latest and greatest products coming your way, including cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip on that when you create. And the design team has created 4 double-page layouts with recipe cards including cutting and assembly instructions. So you'll have a double-page layout for each one of the 4 collections to help you get started if you want a little inspiration. Be sure to check out the design team gallery on the ScrapRoom website. You'll find lots of inspiration there of layouts and projects created by the design team. And then come over to the Facebook group and the blog to jump in and join us on some challenges. We have sketch challenges, the Freaky Fast Friday challenge, all kinds of ways to participate and have fun and also be entered into some prizes. The 4 collections are including Fancy Pants Design, On Our Way, Fabulous Travel Collection. From Jen Hatfield, we have The Bright Life. From Photoplay Paper, we have Stuck on You and Simple Stories, Little Dude. So as you can see, as we transition out of summer, we have still vacation going on. We have little boys and girls and patterns that you could scrapbook just about anything and any type of project. So let's dig in and see each one of these up close. Our first collection, On Our Way, from Fancy Pants Designs, includes 2 sheets of basil blue cardstock. The 3 patterned papers are this one called Navigator, which is a fun little map, and the back side is this yellow circle design on white. This one's called Plane, Trains, and Automobiles, and that's what it says all the way across here in kind of that stencil font. The back side is this beautiful rainbow stripe. Then we have Up for an Adventure, which is a fun plaid design in those same bright colors. And the back side is just this solid blue. So you can see, even if you're not documenting getting on a plane, you've got some fabulous bright colors and patterns to scrapbook just about anything. The embellishments this month are going to include a 1/6 pack of the ephemera, so it will vary among the kits, but this is what I got. Some really cute icons in this collection. And then a 1/4 pack of the buttons. Mine include a couple of fun buttons that are on foam dots, and then also this great flare, and it's on a foam dot too. That is On Our Way from Fancy Pants. Our second collection from American Crafts is designed by Jen Hatfield. It's called My Bright Life, and you can tell the bright, fun colors in this collection. We're going to start with 2 sheets of Storm cardstock. This paper called Flower Market, which is just gorgeous in the pink florals. The back is a navy and white stripe and the full branding strip with the pink and the dots. This one's called Flower Pop. It's another floral print but in a smaller scale. The back side is this fun tone-on-tone pink collection or design, and the branding strip are these florals. This one called Retro Stripes, so they have the little VW bug. We have fruit and birds, cooking, butterflies, and the little bowls, or it could be a teacup as well. And the back side is this green tone-on-tone design, and the branding strip is florals on the navy blue. So as you can tell, very bright, vibrant colors, fun floral design, but with this print here, you can scrap all kinds of things. For the embellishments, you're going to get 1/2 pack of the sticker sheet. You can see it is very wide in the types of icons that are on here, just like on this sheet of paper. We have everything from a teapot and teacup to the fruits. Love these little leopard print glasses and shoes. More kitchen things, more birds, and those gorgeous florals. That is My Bright Life from Jen Hatfield. Our next collection from Photo Play Paper is Stuck on You. So it has an outdoor type theme running through it. It has the watering can with the plant and then all of your little garden tools. The back side are these fun little hand-drawn hearts in the different colors. This one's called Love Grows. This stripe is called Enjoy Today. You get a good representation of the color scheme here. It's just beautiful. The back is this red wood grain. We have Life is Tweet, which has all of these fun little birds and the hearts on that pink background. And the back side is a yellow with the white dots running through it. So this one, again, you can see has some great general patterns to it that you could really pull out all kinds of projects. You'll also receive 2 sheets of basil white cardstock. And the embellishments is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. These are always a lot of fun. We have a scalloped border, lots of little succulents here, a little banner, lots of great words that you could use for your titles and subtitles, and those beautiful florals. That is Stuck on You by Photo Play Paper. Our last collection from Simple Stories is called Little Dude. This is a great boy collection, but you're going to also see that if you don't have boys to scrapbook, there are lots of great patterns that you could scrapbook anything, so don't be worried if you don't have boys. We're going to start with 2 sheets of basil black cardstock. The pattern papers is this one called Boys Rule, which has the circles on this cream background. These would be fun to punch out with a circle punch and create a design on the back of a page or use for your embellishments. The back side is this green with a off-white arrow design. This one called Play Hard is a distressed banner on this black background, so that's really nice. But see, look right there. You wouldn't even know it was a boy line. The back side is a text with an aqua stripe going through it, the diagonal stripe. This one's called Superhero. It has the rainbow stripes. That's kind of like a brush stroke, so it's not a hard grid design. And it has white hashtags, or a diagonal, almost like a stitching guide. The back side is the black X on the white. So you can see this collection has a distressed look running through it. That's your pattern papers. For the embellishments, you're going to get 1/3 a pack of the bits and pieces. These are going to vary. There's a little bit of everything in here, as well as 1/4 a pack of puffy stickers. So you can see the embellishments are geared a little bit more towards boys, but you have banners and things like that, and you could just cover up some of the wording or use something else. But lots of these you could use on more than just boy pages. Lots of great ephemera pieces to embellish your projects with. So that is a look at Simple Stories Little Dude. One more look at the 4 collections coming your way from the Flavors of the Month. Don't forget you can also mix and match your 4 collections to come up with even more variety in your kits. Be sure to come on over and check out what the design team has created, as well as your fellow subscribers. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button so you'll be notified when the new videos are up. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.